Hello guys and dolls. Today we are looking at the Hornby Railways R041-8302 Great Western Railways Pannier Tank number 5751. And we're going to be comparing it to the pannier tank issued as a part of the E-Link Western Master set. This is the unboxing. As you may have guessed, this is an older model. And this is the insert, which has quite a nice painting of the model in question. It's a special issue from Hornby. There she is. Let's get her out on the turntable and have a better look at her, shall we? Here is the 360-degree view. You can see that on the sides of the tank is the lettering GWR, which of course stands for Great Western Railway, and you can see the number on by the door there. Let's take a closer look. Looking first of all at the chimney, we notice that this is just a plastic piece. It's not the separately fitted metal piece. Going along the top of the boiler, we see that this does appear to be separately fitted, but it is only plastic, though it's quite a good shiny effect. There we see the letters GWR. But looking closely at the cab, we see that the part of the motor is visible in the cab there, and there's a wire that's visible. So that's a rather negative thing. Here we see the number 57 something, I can't read, 5731. And in the back there's the coal load represented. Not bad. Here we see the front of the loco, quite nicely painted red buffer beam, but the buffers are not sprung, just fixed in place. To the rear of the cab, we see we've once again got, there's detail but no sprung buffers, and there's no glazing in the windows. No glazing at all anywhere. So that's a bad point. Let's go around again. Turn the model over, look at the other side. You can see here that it has quite a large motor assembly underneath, but the wheels look all nice and clean. Right, now let's compare this to the more recent DCC fitted pannier tank from Hornby. You'll notice straight away that this pannier tank is extremely similar to the one I just showed you, but there are a number of detailed differences. And first of all is that there's a different style of cab. In this one the cab is open here, whereas on the other one it's closed. to the rear we have fitted rails here, whereas on this side and this side there are fitted rails, whereas on the older model there are no fitted rails. Once again, looking at the chimney, it is just the same as on the older model. And going along to the dome is not as shiny and brightly coloured as the dome on the older model. And once again we've got the number there, 2732, and we've got GWR on the side of the tanks. This is comparing the two models more directly. You can see that by comparing the two domes, you see the dome on the older model is much more brighter and shinier. On the old model, the wheels are shinier than they are on the new model. But you'll notice on the new model as well, although it has more detail, there's still no sprung buffers. It also still has the same old large decoupling. Let's zoom in a bit. And you can see here that on the newer model you've got these separately fitted handrails, which on the old model are not represented. Well, that's enough of that. Let's get them down on the track and see how well they perform. First of all, the old model. Let's apply the power and see how well she performs. Yeah, she's a runner. This is the Sam's train slow speeded test. Oh, she's a bit coggy. Right. Let's try the newer model. Noticeably less noisy. But a bit unsteady. This is the old Pannier Tank R041. Here goes the express points test. And stopped. Well, it gets over the express points as long as you keep the speed up. Let's change this for the more modern Hornby loco. This is the more modern loco. It's passed the test. This is the old Pannier Tank R041, the points and radius test. This is the new pannier tank, as was supplied with the Western Master test. That also has passed the test. Here's the new pannier tank from the Western Master set. No, it's failed on the points. This is the new pannier tank. I got round all right that time. And she stopped over there. No, stop. Well, let's change the new pannier tank for the old one. See how we get on with that.